In this video, we're going to show you how to install the interior door handle on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the driver's side front door. Remove our door panel. There are 3 Phillips head screws. There's one inside the door handle pull. There's one up where there should be a little plastic cap right here. There's one in here. And then there's one behind the door handle right here. Let's go ahead and remove those. I want to pull the door panel off here. Pop off the little plastic buttons. I'm going to pull that door panel off. Now on the back side, we have some metal actuator rods here that go to the door handle. We want to go ahead and separate those rods from those clips. Now you can normally just use your finger to pop these off. Here we go, there's one. Pull that rod up and out, and then we'll do the bottom one. Lift that up and out. Sometimes the angle of the rod will kind of bind up in there. Once you have those rods disconnected, the next things we want to do is disconnect the harness. Now when disconnecting the harness, on the harness facing the door panel, if I flip this over, there's a little spring clip right here. You're gonna pinch that with your finger and then pull that off. Towards the back section here, we have another connector. I'm gonna lift up on this little tab right here and then pull this off. And you follow this up, we have our mirror connector right here. There's a tab on the top right here. Gonna support that door panel with your leg. Gonna pinch that. Separate that connector. We have one more connector right here. It's a little tab on the top right there you want to press down on to separate. And our door panel is now free from the door shell. Now removing our handle itself, there's going to be 3 T20 Torx bits, 1, 2, 3. The tricky one here is this little spring clip. You're going to have to compress that. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and it is behind this connector down inside here in order for that to pop out. I'm going to remove the screws first. Once that clip is compressed, you're going to slide that right out from the front. Install the new part the same way. Now when you push this in, this clip will snap into place. Line that up. Here it is. Once we have that in place, we can go ahead and install our screws. I'm going to get all 3 of these started by hand first. Just a couple threads. And when tightening these here, All you want to do is make sure that the screw is bottomed out. You do not want to over tighten this because you will strip the plastic and ruin the handle. It is bottomed out. The door panel is ready for installation. Let's go ahead and connect all of our connectors here. Install our lower rod. And sometimes the angle of the door panel, if you adjust the door a little bit, the rod will pop right into place. And then fold your clasp on over. And then pop the clasp back onto that one. Now at this point, we're going to hang our door panel on the top of the door. Go ahead and line that up. And once that's in place, we can work our way around the perimeter, bumping on our plastic retaining tabs, securing this in place. With our door panel in place, we can now install the 3 screws, one on the handle, one up by the mirror, and the one behind the door handle. Go ahead and install the 3 door panel screws. If your door panel has the plastic button here to cover that screw, go ahead and pop that into place. Once that's all done, you want to go ahead and test everything, make sure everything works. After that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.